name is Gurmeet. I'm the fundamental analyst for Trade Malaysia. Today I'm going to focus on the gold trend based on fundamental analysis and also technical analysis. Looking forward, our first fundamental factors that we can look into is that our CPI data, which was actually released yesterday. As we could see that the CPI data is really high. This has actually enhanced the US dollar to strengthen. It was being forecasted that the CPI data would be lower in negative 0.1. However, the actual one is 0.1%. Secondly, looking forward is that we are looking into our PPI, which is the Producer Price Index. This Producer Price Index is also forecasted to be lower at negative 0.1. However, looking at our high CPI, it is likely that our PPI would also be higher, thus leading to strengthening of US dollar. Thirdly, looking forward, as we know that the oil inventories in US has actually reduced, and thus oil prices has actually reduced as well. This will also actually lead to strengthening of US dollar. The trend is bearish. The fundamental range that we are looking at is at 1688 to 1700. Moving forward, for our technical analysis, as we know, basically, we can always use investing.com. If we could see over here, at investing.com, first and foremostly, we can look at our daily. So at daily, we can see that we have pivot points, which we can use as our support and also our resistance. As usually some people would prefer to use Fibonacci, but this would totally depend on your technical analysis. As you can see here, we have 3 support points and we have 3 resistance points. The first support point that we have is 1674.55. The second support point that we have is 1688.17. And the third one that we have is 1696.58. So these are all the 3 support points that we have. For the resistance point we have is that firstly we have 1723.82. For resistance 2 we have 1732.23, and for resistance 3 we have 1745.85. These are the 3 support points and these are the 3 resistance points that we look at daily based on Fibonacci. However, this support point and this resistance point has to be confirmed with the technical indicators. So if let's say you are using your own technical analysis, you can confirm this support as well as these resistance points. As we could see over here, our technical indicators at the daily is a strong sell. If it is strong sell, then it's likely we will have to wait at the resistance point in order to place our sell. Let's say if we would like to have more confirmation, we could actually go to the monthly and also weekly. As we could see for our weekly is also strong sell, and as you can see for our monthly is also strong sell for our technical indicators. So for the daily, we know that it's actually a strong sell. However, we have to always look at our lower time frames as well, so that we have the synchronization in the market. For example, if we can look at our lower time frames such as hourly, we also have strong sell. If we look at 15 minutes, we have a strong buy, and for 5 minutes we have a buy, and for 1 minute we have a strong sell. As we could see over here, the higher time frames are supporting more towards strong sell. And we have several time frames, shorter time frames, which are supporting to a strong sell as well as the buy. We can enter based on the support and resistance points that we have, supporting at the time frames that we are in, confirming with the technical indicators that we have, and thus we can go for our sell or our buy. forward, if let's say I would like to actually go into the entry, I would always choose at least 2 to 3 lower time frames to be synchronizing with each other, as well as 2 to 3 higher time frames to synchronize with each other. If the board is actually at the same trend, yeah, for the technical indicators, thus I would go with the support and resistance on Fibonacci on that particular time frame and place my entry. If you need any further information, kindly contact me Gurmeet at 014-258-4067. I am looking forward to learn. I am looking forward to share. Kindly contact me. Have a great day.